This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. Assam Hill Area's Development Minister Ronghang became the first minister of the BJP-led state government to contract COVID-19, even as 3 more party MLAs tested positive yesterday. A total of 20 legislators have so far tested positive for coronavirus in Assam. While COVID-19 positive cases are surging, the number of recovery from the viral infection is also on the rise in Meghalaya. The number of active cases in the state, which has recorded 10 deaths so far, stands at 1,238 and recoveries at 1,035. 43 new COVID-19 cases and 77 more recoveries from the disease were registered yesterday. Meghalaya has registered 2,283 COVID-19 cases so far. In Nagaland, 46 positive cases of COVID-19 were reported yesterday, while 50 more people have also recovered. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangyopom said 44 new cases were detected in Kohima and 1 each in Pek and Mon. The new cases included 20 returnees, 13 frontline workers, 10 from armed forces and 3 contacts. The total positive cases went up to 3,851, of which 925 are active and 2,908 have recovered. So far, 8 persons have lost their lives due to COVID-19 in Nagaland. 26 more people tested positive for COVID-19 in Sikkim, pushing the state's caseload to 1,602 yesterday, a senior official said. East Sikkim District reported 24 fresh infections, while 2 cases were registered in North Sikkim, State Information, Education and Communication Officer Sonam Bhutia said. The fresh infections have pushed the number of active cases in the state to 404, while 1,195 people have recovered from COVID-19 and 3 patients have died due to it. East Sikkim District has so far registered the highest number of COVID-19 cases at 1,089, followed by 468 in South, 44 in West and 1 in North Sikkim District. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma visited several households at Sohiong in East Khasi Hills District yesterday to inspect the ongoing works of the Public Health Engineering Department under Jal Jeevan Mission. After interacting with the beneficiaries, he said that piped water connection has ushered in convenience for most of the rural residents who depend on drawing water manually from distant water sources. He was optimistic that Meghalaya would be able to achieve the target to provide tap water connection to all rural households by 2022. The Assam government has decided to give financial assistance of 20,000 rupees each to around 17,000 meritorious students. Talking to newspersons in Guwahati yesterday, Education Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that students who secured 75% in this year's high school leaving certificate examination would get the money. Mr. Sarma said that informal classes of higher secondary final year and degree final year will start from the 15th of September. In Assam, target has been set by the Social Welfare Department to establish kitchen garden at all the Anganwadi centers. Participating in an All India Radio talk show, Commissioner Secretary Mukesh Chandra Saha and State Project Director of Poshan Abhiyan Partha Pratim Majumdar informed this. There are 61,000 Anganwadi centers in the state. Under the kitchen garden concept, plantation of seasonal and nutritious food is being done. So far, several Anganwadi centers have been covered under it. The Agriculture Department is tied up with the Social Welfare Department to provide variety of seeds. Mr. Majumdar said that the kitchen garden initiative has been appreciated by the centre, which has decided to implement it in other states also. Through it, nutritional vegetables are being given to the children. Marking the National Sports Day, the Nagaland Youth Resources and Sports Department organized Fit India Freedom Run at Indira Gandhi Stadium at Kohima yesterday. Official coaches along with National Service Scheme volunteers took part in the event. Flagging of the Freedom Run, advisor for Youth Resources and Sports Zale Nekha said the event aimed to encourage fitness among the people and also help them keep away from health disorders. He encouraged the youth to stay physically fit by doing regular exercise in order to boost their immune system. Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Kiren Rijiju had launched the countrywide Fit India movement run on the 14th of August through online platform. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.